Welcome to our channel. We bring in yummy and tasty recipes for you. So stay tuned. Today's recipe is Medu Wada. Let us dig into requirements. Urad dal 100 grams. Onions 4 pieces. Curry leaves. Salt as per taste. Green chilies. Coriander leaves. Asafoetida. Take 100 grams of urad dal and soak it using water for 20 minutes. Yeah, just like that. It should soak well for at least 20 minutes. Chop the onions. Chop the onions onto smaller pieces. Wash it. Remove the white part and then chop it into smaller pieces. It is done. Let us move on to next step now. Wash the urad dal twice. Just like that. Clean it nicely. Add the soaked dal into a mixer. Time to add other ingredients as well. Add green chilies. Add asafoetida. Salt accordingly. Grind them well. Make a batter of it. Collect the batter onto a pan. Add curry leaves. Pinch them before adding. Crush the onions before addition. Cut the coriander leaves and then add it. Mix them well. It's done. Let us go on to next step now. Add refined oil. Let it warm up for some time. Make other preparations before frying. Take kitchen towel and place it onto a plate so that it could soak in excessive oil from Medu Wada. Add a pinch of batter onto the pan to check whether the oil is warm enough or not. Yes, I guess it is warm enough to add in. Yeah, thumbs up. This is the special method to make Medu Wada here. Take the batter, place it onto the left arm, press it nicely and make a hole in center. Add it onto the boiling hot oil. Repeat the procedure. Tilt it to the other side so that it could get nicely fried up. Brownish layer could be observed. Golden brown layer could be observed here. Just turn it so that it could get fried nicely. Collect it once it is done and place it onto kitchen towel. It is done. Our Medu Wada is ready. Let us enjoy Medu Wada along with some sweet pongal, since Pongal festival is around, will be soon. So, if you want to know the recipe of pongal, stay tuned with our channel Vegetarian Quest. Thank you. And this is your host signing off.